Hello traders, you're welcome to my video on the Symphonie Trader System. Um, we are just going to look into this strategy carefully and help you identify how to take advantage of this system to discover high probability trade setups by analyzing trend strength, market sentiment, and volatility. Okay, so in this video I'll walk you through how the Symphonie Trader System works, how to set it up on your charts, how to use it effectively for trade entries and exit. So by the end of this video, you should have a solid understanding of how to integrate the Symphonie Trader System into your Forex strategy. But before we get started, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a powerful trading breakdown. Okay, let us jump right into it. We are going to be starting with the basics. What exactly is the Symphonie Trader System? Now, it is a Forex indicator based system. All right, it's actually an indicator based system that is designed to give clear trade signals based on four key factors. Right, the first factor is trend strength. Okay, the trend strength is to help identify the dominant market trend. Okay, the second factor is market sentiment, which measures bullish or bearish momentum. The third factor is extreme volatility, okay, flags sudden price movements. And then the fourth factor is emotional index, which helps filter out noise for accurate signals. Now, these indicators work together to provide a structured, rules-based approach to Forex trading. And the goal is to identify potential trade setups where multiple indicators align, giving you higher confidence in your decisions. Okay, so let us quickly talk about how to use this system. Okay, in order to get the system on your chart, you should look for the Symphonie Trader System template or the indicators. All right, you can see that the Symphonie Trader System makes use of the Symphonie Extreme Cycle indicator, makes use of the Symphonie Sentiment indicator, and then you can see that this also okay, we have these are the Symphonie matrix, which are where you should be looking out for momentum confirmations. And then we have this super trend indicator like indicator that gives you buy signals when it is blue and red signals when it is red. Okay, so basically if you want to download the indicators separately, you can actually look for the indicators for the Symphonie Trader System individually, download them and add them to your chart. Or if you can be able to get the template, then you can get the templates, get the indicators as well, and then get the templates. So when you load the templates, having already downloaded the indicators, then you should have the the Symphonie Trader System right on your chart. But for the sake of time, let's just quickly look at how to use this system. Okay, for your buy signals, you have to watch out for this indicator to turn blue, and you have to have price trading above it. Okay, and then you have to have this Symphonie Extreme Cycle indicator. You need to have this your market emotions. This one is for the market emotions. You need to have this market emotions blue in color, right? It has to be blue in color. And then your sentiment indicator should also be blue. All right, so when you get the alignment, ensure that you have alignment across all your indicators. The more confirmation you have, the stronger the trade setup. So wait for a candle close to confirm the signal. You should wait for a candle to close above this indicator and wait for this indicator to switch from red to blue, and this also to switch from red to blue. All right, this one already switched from red to blue around here, but that would have not been the best time to enter because this one was still red at that point. So you'd have waited for the three indicators to align before you enter. Okay, then for your exit rules, you can actually wait for this indicator to turn to red, or when the price hits a resistance, or basically when you notice a sign of a reversal. But you can just use this indicator as your exit strategy. When this indicator turns to red, okay, then you can consider exiting, and when price drops below it. Okay, so that is for a buy. Then for a sell, the reverse is the case. You just have to watch out for the price to drop below this indicator and let it turn to red in color, and then your market emotions should also be red bars, and your Symphony sentiment indicator should also be red. Okay, so it's pretty easy. Yeah, it's pretty easy. Just ensure that the three indicators align. Let the three indicators be giving you signals at the same time. All right, the three indicators must give you the same signals before you go ahead to enter your trade. And once you have done that, you can set your stop loss above the previous swing high. That's for a sell. And then for your take profit, you can target with support levels, or you can just wait for this indicator to turn back to blue with the price trading above it. Okay, so the Symphonie Trader System is great for trend trading, but like any tool, it is important to apply proper risk management, okay, to avoid unnecessary losses. Ensure that you observe good risk management. Do not trade with an amount you cannot afford to lose, and try to use a risk to reward ratio of 1:2. If you are risking 10 pips, your potential profit should be about 20 pips, right? If you're risking 50 pips, your potential profit should be about 100 pips or more. That is a risk to reward ratio of 1:2. Okay, in a situation like that, even if you have equal number of wins and losses, you're still going to be on the winning side. Okay, so that is how you can use the Symphonie Trader System to identify and manage forex trades. This system is a great tool for traders looking for structured trade signals while combining trend, sentiment, and volatility analysis. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and drop a comment below. Let me know if you've used the Symphonie Trader System before, or if you have any questions. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications, because we've got even more forex strategies, tutorials, and trading breakdowns coming your way. Until next time, trade smart, stay disciplined, and I will see you in the next video.